Question 21. The area of this triangle is 24 square centimeter. Calculate the perimeter of the triangle. So the base is 6 centimeter, the height is 3x minus 1, and hypotenuse is 3x plus 1. This is a right-angled triangle. We know the formula of the area of triangle is 1 over 2 times base times height. Base is 6 centimeter, height is 3x minus 1, and the area is 24. So 24 is equal to 1 over 2 times 6 times 3x minus 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so 24 is equal to 3 times 3x minus 1. We divide both sides by 3 again, so 24 divided by 3 is equal to 3 times 3x minus 1 divided by 3. This 3 cancels this 3, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 3x minus 1 is equal to 8. We take this negative 1 to the other side, and it becomes positive 1. So 3x is equal to 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3x is equal to 9. We divide both sides by 3. So 3x over 3 is equal to 9 over 3. And 9 over 3, or 9 divided by 3, is 3. So x is equal to 3. Now we can calculate the perimeter of the triangle by summing the lengths of all these sides. So perimeter of the triangle is equal to 6 plus 3x minus 1 plus 3x plus 1. This negative 1 cancels this positive 1, and 3x plus 3x will be 6x. So this is equal to 6 plus 6x, and if we replace x with 3, we will have x is equal to 6 plus 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 plus 6 is 24. So perimeter of the triangle is equal to 24 centimeter.